Hello everybody, my name is Lewis, and today's video is about car dashboards. Now you may be asking yourself right now, why is this prepubescent child telling me about car dashboards? Don't ask questions, alright, let's just get into it. So, there has been this new car trend going around where they have this floating wraparound display kind of dashboard, and it looks a little something like this. Me personally, I don't like it that much, but I think there's a bigger issue that doesn't have to do with the looks of it. And I wanted to get into that. So, let me show you what the dashboards from the previous generation. In this case, we're going to be using BMW and comparing to their new iDrive 8 system from the iDrive 7. This is what the iDrive 7 system looked like. And as you can see, the displays are clearly separated. They don't have any type of, they're not connected in any way. They have a physical piece blocking them from being connected. And this is the iDrive 8 system. The only real difference here is that there is no physical piece blocking them from being connected. My main issue with this is that they call it one display. And I think that's inherently just stupid. My question is, why don't they just connect these together? And this is kind of a bit of a conspiracy theory, but I think I figured out why. I'm pretty sure it's just a cheap cash grab. Think about it. To make a dashboard, you need to have designers. And then to have designers, you need to pay them. Now, what if we just stop designing the dashboard, put the screens there, and then market it as a big luxury feature so that everyone thinks it's cool, when in reality it's cheaper for us and lets us make more money off of our cars? I'd say that makes a little bit of sense, and I do have a little bit of evidence to back up the claim. First of all, look at these in comparison. The distance is almost the exact same. Sure, the infotainment screen is a bit bigger, I'll give it that, but there only is really one main difference. And that's there's no physical piece blocking them from being connected. I'm pretty sure they just took the same exact screens, made the infotainment one a little bigger, and then just didn't design the dashboard at all. Does that make any sense? Because they look to be the exact same distance away from each other and there's no new technology connecting the displays. And what I really don't understand is why they don't just create a seamless transition and connect them. In the BMW i7, not just the i7, the 7 Series in general, they have a big, huge movie theater in the back of the car. I really don't understand why they didn't just take that same screen, create a custom software for it, and then put it on the front. So, I went digging. I was thinking maybe there's a piece of legislature in the US or Germany or any other European country, anywhere that's, BMW sells cars, that blocks them from being able to make the car dashboard all one screen. I could not find anything at all. And I did a little bit more digging and I found the Apple CarPlay concept, which looks like this. This I'd be fine with. The screens are connected and you can actually call it one screen. It looks cool, and I might even say I kind of want this. I still do prefer the original iDrive 7 screen, so maybe I'm a little bit biased towards the iDrive 7. I still would prefer to have that in a car, but this looks nice. I wouldn't be mad if this was where the future was going. But this just looks like a blatant attempt to try to save money on a premium luxury brand. I wouldn't be mad if it's Toyota. Toyota just makes cheap cars and they're giving us a bigger screen. Cool, I don't care. BMW, a renowned luxury sporty brand, should not be cutting corners to make more money. Now, maybe I'm wrong about all this. Maybe there is no secret conspiracy to try and save money on designing a car dashboard. But if I'm not, I think it's completely ridiculous. Another concept that I found as well was the Byton concept. This was a SUV. This is what it looks like. It does look absolutely horrendously ugly, but I still think it's fine. Plus, this does show that it is possible to create an even bigger screen than what BMW has and still not be illegal in most countries. So, I genuinely don't get it, and I'm pretty sure it's just a cheap cash grab to make some more money. Seriously though, what is that on the steering wheel? It looks like a Nintendo Switch. It literally is a Nintendo Switch. Is that SpongeBob on there? The Byton truck is confirmed to be selling in the US and European Union, and I'm sure if it's selling in the US, then that means that Mexico and Canada will allow it too. And since Germany is also in Europe, I seriously just do not understand why BMW doesn't just do the same thing. And it's not just BMW doing this. Mercedes in their A-Class is now doing it, but they are mostly shifting to this hyperscreen thing, which is a very weird shape, which is very understandable why they can't have a display that conforms to it. But a rectangle? You could literally just go buy an ultra-wide monitor, slap it in there, and then put Linux on it and then call it a day. Come on, BMW. While doing my digging, I found an Audi concept. I'm not sure what car this is, so I can't really tell you. If someone in the comments below, let me know. But it looks like this, which is also a pretty good implementation of what I'd like to see as a car dashboard if we're gonna go with this whole one big screen thing. But once again, personally, I prefer the original. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This has been Lewis, and I'm out. Peace.